Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge TOZO OpenEgo. So I'm gonna divide this short video into two sections. The first one is charging the earbuds, and the second part is of course charging the charging case. Because if we want to charge our earbuds, then of course we need to put them back into the charging case. This case also has its own battery, so we can put it in, put the earbuds in order to charge them. And if we close it, then we will see they are charging both earbuds. Now, of course, if we run low battery on the charging case itself, and then the charging case won't be able to charge the earbuds. Therefore, we have a cable. We have the USB cable included in the box. Whoops, there we go. It looks like this. It has two, one is just the default USB ending, and the other one is USB-C. And what we need to do is plug it in, plug the USB-C to the back of the charging case. And of course, the other end goes to either any of your devices that can charge the case, that is, for instance, your laptop, your PC, or if you have a charging adapter, then you can plug it in into the adapter. So in my case, I'm gonna use a similar cable, but this one is a little bit longer to allow me to show it on the camera. So let's plug it in, and there we go. Now the case is charging as well. And of course, once we have the earbuds in the charging case and we are charging the case, then we are charging both the earbuds and the case itself as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!